Hi, this is Jane with the Table Rock Art Guild. Today we're going to teach you how to do these cool little watercolor flowers during our Minute Mentor segment with Diane Robben. Say hi, Diane.
Hi, Jane.
Looky here. There's the center of that pretty little flower. She's doing this with watercolor. And you'll notice she's using the edge of the brush to lay in thick color, big broad strokes. I guess I shouldn't say thick. Broad would be the better description. Now she's shaping those petals. And look at those colors blend. That's what's so nice about the watercolor. Don't you just love working with watercolor?
It's my favorite.
Perfect. Thanks.
Thank you. Enjoy.